Hi everyone. Today we'll look at a future tense, plus we'll talk about seasons. Let's take a look at our learning goal. We are learning to talk about seasons. You will know you're successful if you can name the seasons, ask and answer questions, and use the future tense. What season is this? Good, fall or autumn. What season is this? Winter. What season is this? Spring. And what season is this? Summer. Question. What is your favorite season? You can answer by saying, my favorite season is, and then the name of your season. Let's look at the picture and answer the question. What is your favorite season? Good. My favorite season is winter. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer. Great. Try these ones on your own. Now listen as I review activities. Ride a bike. Swim. Workout. Study English. Ski. Okay, let's think of a question we can ask to share our thoughts about a season. This is a good one. Do you like to listen? Do you like to ski? Do you like to ski? You can answer, yes, I like to ski, or no, I don't like to ski. Try these on your own. This question's a little bit different. Instead of saying, do you like to ride a bike? We just talk about bikes in general. Do you like to ride bikes? Yes, I like to ride bikes. Or, no, I don't like to ride bikes. Now, ask the question and respond with your own response. Now it's time to read a short dialogue and discuss it.
Hey, me. How are you?
I'm great, Paul. Today is the first day of fall. You seem excited. Do you like fall?
Yes, I like fall. Fall is my favorite season. How about you, me? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter. I don't like fall. Pause the video to practice this dialogue. Answer the comprehension questions. Who are the speakers? Me and Paul. Who is the first person to speak? Paul. What seasons are mentioned? Summer and winter. What is me's favorite season? Winter. What season does Paul like the most? Summer. The conversation is most likely between two people meeting for the first time, a child and a parent, an employer and an employee, or two acquaintances. Two acquaintances. Now listen Now let's carefully learn about as the we learn future about the tense. future tense.
Going to plus verb.
There are two ways
We
that
can
you
talk
can
about the
express
future
future
tense.
plans. Today we'll focus on I'm going to plus the verb. Question. What are your plans for the fall? You can respond, I am going to, and then say your plan. I am going to work out. What are your plans for the fall? I am going to. Good, study English. Try the rest on your own. Great. Now that we've learned one future tense, let's add this to our dialogue. First, listen. Then you'll have some time to pause the video and practice it on your own. Hey, Paul. How's it going?
Everything is great, me. What are your plans for the summer?
I haven't made much plans yet, but I am definitely going to study English and work out at the gym. How about you, Paul? What are your plans for the summer?
I am going to ride my bike. I love being outside in the summer. The weather is nice this time of the year, and summer is my favorite season. Do you like summer, me?
Summer is okay, but I prefer winter. I love the snow and the cold weather. My favorite season is winter. Pause the video to practice the dialogue on your own. Let's answer some questions. Who are the speakers? Paul and me. Who is the first person to speak? Me. Do Paul and me have the same plans for the summer? No. What are me's plans for the summer? To study English and to work out at the gym. What are Paul's plans for the summer? Paul plans to ride his bike. Who likes summer more? Paul and me both prefer summer? Paul likes summer more? Me likes summer more? Or neither of them like summer? Correct. Me likes summer more. Well, that concludes our lesson. Let's take a look at our learning goal. You were able to talk about seasons. Congratulations, you met the success criteria. You can name the seasons, you can ask and answer questions, and you can use the future tense to talk about seasons. Thank you for watching, and remember, please subscribe to our channel.